Hi, I'm Todd Carlson, Regional Service Manager for Bay & Bay, and I want to talk to you about the tire inflation system on our current trailers. We have a couple different models. We have the Hendrickson model, which this trailer has, and we also have Meritors. One thing I want to talk about is if you get up, you're doing your walk around on your truck, your trailer, and you just happen to have your coffee and you're checking stuff out, and you find out the right rear tire is a little squishy on here. First thing you should do is fire up your truck, get the truck built up, charge your red button, fill the trailer. After a few minutes, once the trailer's filled up completely, the tires should start inflating back here if the system is working properly. Now if you find that tire is not airing up after about 10 minutes, go back here under the front of the trailer, the subframe of the trailer I should say, and check this valve out. If this valve is off, turn it on. It doesn't hurt anything if it's off, but if you have a nail hole or any other kind of hole in your tire which is causing the tire to have a slow leak, this has to be on in order for that to work. Now, if you find if it is on and you still have that issue, then you got to call road service to try to get some help. But this should cure that problem if this was off and that tire wasn't inflating. Now it won't inflate tires with sidewall damage, but nail holes and small holes, it'll take care of you and get you back to a shop to get it fixed or get you back home so we can fix it.